So just some food for thought if you're a roofing contractor who does storm restoration and you're asking about how to generate leads. So here's why door knocking is so powerful and why other forms of marketing, specifically in storm restoration, are not as effective. If you have a million billboards out there that say your leg might be broken, call for a free checkup, your leg might be broken. It doesn't matter how many billboards I see or ads I hear, if I don't think that there's anything wrong with my leg, I'm not gonna call, right? So in storm restoration, a lot of the time the damage is not visible from the ground, right? Like most people just have no idea unless they have shingles actually missing from their roof or a tree fell on their house or something. They're not gonna pick up the phone and call you. You have to go to them. So just some food for thought there. That's why door knocking is so important and it's so effective. Don't be so afraid of it. With the right approach, it really is not that hard, and that's how you can take over an entire neighborhood. So if you want help with that, hit me up. That's what my online sales training programs are for, and I'd love to help you.